Today's video is called 5 new KDP books that are quietly blowing up on Amazon in 2026. And I want you to pay attention to that word new, because one of the biggest myths I keep hearing right now is this: Amazon KDP is dead, it's too saturated. If you didn't start years ago, you missed your chance. But here's the interesting part. Every single day, brand new books get published, and some of them start to climb the ranks quietly, without hype, without a big following, and without anyone talking about them, which tells us something important. The opportunity isn't gone, it's just moved. So in this video, I'm gonna show you 5 recently published KDP books that are doing exactly that, quietly gaining traction, getting visibility, and competing right alongside older, more established titles. And I'll also explain why this happens, how the Amazon algorithm actually gives new books a chance to prove themselves, and what you can learn from these examples for your own books. Because the goal here isn't to copy, it's to understand what's working right now. Now, if this is your first time here, my name is Jeff, and this channel is all about becoming self-sufficient when it comes to making money online. So if this sounds like you, feel free to give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and turn on that notification bell so you can be notified whenever I release a new video. With that being said, let's get right to it. Now, the first book that we're gonna look at that's quietly blowing up on Amazon in 2026 is gonna be this axolotl coloring book. Now, when we take a look at this book, we can see published October 13th, 2025. So not that long ago. This is what I would consider still a fairly new book. Now, coloring books, especially these types of books where it's the bold and easy type, the square format, usually I see around 40 illustrations and priced at $9.99. And that's basically become the standard for this type of book. But as we can see with that bestsellers rank, you can even see the rankings here in the subcategories, but that is good right now for 30-day royalties estimated around $200 to $300 if it can keep up this ranking for the entire month. That's going to be 30-day sales of about 100 to over 100 copies per month for a pretty much newly published book. Now, when we take a look at the actual interiors, you can see it's a very simple type of book. I've showed many times how to create these types of books on my channel using AI and some very, very powerful prompts that you can copy and paste, and you can start creating these types of books. If you want to check that out, I'll leave that link to the prompt list down below. But one thing that I want you to check out is this graph right here. This is provided by Self-Publishing Titans. Now, this is the 30-day sales. As you can see, it goes up and down. Whenever the line goes down, that means the book is selling. Every time the line goes up, that means those are periods where it's not selling. But if I zoom out all time just to see what it looked like from the beginning when it was first published, you can see right here, October 13th, publishing date. And so for a couple days, it actually didn't sell. And then it sold its first copy. And that went on for a couple days, a week, and then it started to sell. You can see this line drop, and then it started to sell here, another copy. And then all of a sudden, right around December time, it just kind of started to steamroll, get momentum, and it's kind of maintained that pace since then. So this is what I would call a very successful book. And this is starting to gather some reviews, 4 reviews, 5 stars. So all in all, this book has a chance to quietly blow up in 2026. And if we actually take a look at the axolotl coloring book niche, I noticed that there are a lot of books here that were just recently published. But if you check out the book that we've been looking at, you can see it's on the first row of the first page, ranked currently number 3, and no ads on this ranking right here. So it just goes to show you that you can put up a book and it can climb up that rank. Amazon usually gives new books a chance at getting ranked, at getting seen, because they want people buying books. We have one right here, 2025, doing very well. This book, September 13, 2025, 300,000 BSR. Another book right here, recently published, 300,000 BSR. Here's another one, even more recently published, December 29, 2025. Currently has 141,000 BSR. No reviews yet, but those reviews will start to come in. And so as you see on the first page, a lot of examples of books doing very well that were just recently published. Now, the next book that's quietly blowing up on Amazon in 2026 is going to be this Capybara Bold and Easy coloring book. Now, this was just recently published a few months ago, priced $9.99, same as the other book. And this one has 106 pages. So if I had to guess, about 50 coloring pages. Now with that bestsellers rank, 97,000. Currently 30-day royalties estimated $200 to $300 per month, about 100 to over 100 copies per month sold. And that is if this book can maintain this bestsellers rank. But why don't we go ahead and look at this graph? Now, this is for the 30 days. Now I'm going to go all time. And when we check all time, there's a period here of almost a month where it didn't sell a single copy. And then it started to sell pretty well below 100,000 BSR. And then there's a moment here from, I would say, November all the way to late December that it didn't really sell that well. But as you can see, the rankings start to go down and it starts to establish itself. And it's starting to maintain this type of ranking here, whereas around 100,000 BSR. Now checking out the interior, once again, very easy type. This is even more simple than the last book. And as you can see, just a bunch of capybaras doing different types of scenes and not a very complicated book. And overall, 9 reviews, 4.6 out of 5, 5 stars, 74%. So this book is doing very well, has the potential and everything going for it to quietly blow up on Amazon in 2026. Now with this niche, did some research and I did find a handful of books doing very, very well that were just recently published. So if we scroll around, this one right here, Capybara Coloring Book, recently published a couple months ago, bestsellers rank 123,000. This one right here, published January 5, 2026. Very recently published, ranked at 138,000. And here's another one right here, December 12, 2025, ranked at 342,000. So once again, a lot of examples here of books doing very well, ranking on the first page that were just recently published. Now, the next KDP book that is quietly blowing up on Amazon in 2026 is going to be part of this bold and easy coloring book niche. Now, what I wanted to show you is I made a search here for that bold and easy coloring book, and I sorted this by newest arrivals. Okay, so over here on the right hand side, instead of featured, which is usually what it's sorted out as, I did newest arrivals. And when you do that, you're gonna get the newest books just published. And so I was just taking a glance here, trying to see which books are doing well that were just recently published. Obviously, here's some books that have just sold 900,000, 800,000. Scrolling on down, we have this book, January 5, 2026, 73,000 BSR, doing very, very well. This book right here, January 4, 2026, 41,000 BSR. This one right here, 400,000 BSR. Here's one at 97,000. This one is 190,000. And this whole page is littered with books just recently published that already have very, very good BSRs. Here's one, 80,000 BSR. This one, 400,000 BSR. So if we actually take a look at this book titled State Landscapes, it's a coloring book that features scenic nature scenes. This one has a 15,000 BSR. So that is good for 30-day royalties estimated at around $1,000 to $1,400 per month, 400 to over 600 sales per month on this book. #1 new release right here, just recently published a month ago. Now, when looking at this graph, you can see a couple days here, a week, maybe 2 weeks it didn't sell. And then it started to sell and then boom, look at this BSR, just flatlined, averaging, I would say about 15,000 BSR. So this is a very good example of a book that can do well. And like I said, guys, you don't need to be afraid of publishing books. You never know which book is gonna do well, which books customers will just end up loving. And the book that you really didn't think was gonna do well might be the one that is gonna do the best for you. And as you can see on the back cover of this book, very simple. So basically scenes from every state, Colorado here on the left, New Mexico in the middle, Ohio on the right hand side, and then Kansas right here. So a very unique type of book and something that customers usually don't see. So this is a great example of thinking outside the box and creating something brand new that customers can fall in love with. Now here's another example. This book recently published December 19, 2025. Bestsellers rank already 113,000. So for 30-day royalties estimated $100 to over $200 per month. Same thing here, $9.99 and about 40 to 50 illustrations. This one more simple than the last, as you can see here. Simple lines, just a standard bold and easy type of coloring book. But what makes this stand out is really the front cover. I think this front cover is actually designed very, very well and sticks out in the backdrop of all of the other bold and easy coloring books that people are going to be seeing on Amazon. Now, this book, as you can see, didn't sell for a month and a half, and then it started to sell 1 copy, 2 copies, and didn't sell again for a couple days, and then started to sell again. So this book is slowly starting to sell. It doesn't have reviews yet, but this is an example of a book that was just recently published. And as you can see right here, it has started to sell copies, and you never know, it can start selling very well. This is the point where you can start running ads to the book to start to sell more, to try to establish a bestsellers rank and try to garner more reviews. Now, the next book that's quietly blowing up on Amazon in 2026 is going to be part of this K-pop coloring book niche. I want to show you here, there's a couple bestsellers here already, but this one in particular just published not so long ago, already a bestseller, ranked at 2,296. This one, December 13, 2025, 7,000 BSR. This one, January 11, 2026, 18,000 BSR. This is going to be one of those upcoming KDP niches that you're going to want to create books in, because a lot of these books are actually recently published that are doing very, very well. This one, January 3, 2026, 84,000 BSR. This one, November 23, 2025, 64,000 BSR. This one, November 8, 2025, 59,000 BSR. And this one right here, January 15, 2026, 23,000 BSR. So if we look at this one, this is a K-pop coloring book, bold and easy type. Bestsellers ranked 2,296. So look at the 30-day royalties, $4,000 to $6,000 per month in estimated royalties at this ranking. And that's 30-day sales upwards of 3,000 copies per month. Number 1 bestseller badge, 4.3 out of 5 rating, 71%, a 5-star. Just recently published. Like I told you guys, you don't need to be afraid to publish books. Just try, experiment, and see what happens. Because look at this. These are just very simple types of illustrations. I mean, nothing too crazy here. If you know how to create AI prompts, you can actually create these using ChatGPT, using Nano Banana. There are some prompts that can help you get started creating these types of coloring books. If you want to check them out, they're going to be linked in the description down below. But if we go ahead and check out this graph, let's go all time. You can see that at the beginning, it wasn't selling that well, but look at this. Around Q4 time, just started to sell very, very well. It was in the 100 BSR range. And as you can see, kind of just maintained that, and it's still maintaining it right now. So definitely a great example here of a book that can do very, very well, pretty much at the start of publication. Now, the next KDP book that's quietly blowing up on Amazon in 2026 is going to be part of the cute kawaii coloring book niche. Now, there's going to be a lot of books here that are dominated by bigger publishers, but that's okay. You don't have to be afraid, because throughout this page right here, there are going to be pockets here where new books are actually doing quite well. You have this book right here, recently published, already started selling, even has some reviews. This one right here, recently published, 100,000 BSR, already has reviews. And this one right here, January 31st, 2026, 36,000 BSR, already has reviews. Now, if we check out this book, Kawaii Sprouts, January 23, 2026 was the publication date. And the thing I noticed about this book is it's priced very low at $5.99. So 30-day royalty is very low, but it has that bestsellers rank of 98,000. This is a strategy that a lot of publishers use, where you price your book basically at break even or very little profit to garner those sales, to basically one up your competitor who's priced higher at like $7.99 or $9.99, so that you can establish a ranking. Because when I look down here, you can see this book didn't sell for almost a month. And then when it did sell, you can see the ranking started to rise right here where it's not really selling as much. And then there are moments where it does sell and then it doesn't sell, but it's starting to establish a ranking. And what this publisher is doing is trying to get those reviews, because those reviews will actually really help your ranking and sustain that ranking for a longer period of time. And as you can see here, 16 reviews, 4.9 out of 5. And so it's just a matter of time when this publisher is going to raise this price up, maybe run some ads, but everything here looks like it's doing pretty well right out of the gate. Another one doing very well is this one, Squishy Bums Coloring Book, Kawaii Squishy Plushies, $7.99, so a little bit of a discount there than the standard $9.99. And 117,000 BSR, was just published October 10, 2025. So royalties around $100 per month estimated. And if we look at the sample here, very simple type of images. As you can see, this, if I was going to say, looks like it was created by AI. And this is the type of niche that AI actually does well in when it comes to these types of characters. And if we look at the rankings here all time, you can see for a while it didn't sell, but around Q4 season, the book started to sell, some reviews came in, and it established a ranking. And as you can see, yes, it does go up and down, but it's kind of established a rank in this range. And the fact is, it's not even 6 months since this book has been published. And so it just shows us that Amazon does like showing off newly published books to see who is interested in that type of book. Is it gonna sell? And that is your chance to actually get these customers to buy your book, is at the very start when it gets published. Because if it starts to sell, then Amazon's going to keep showing it to more and more people. It's going to keep rising those rankings, ranking for better keywords. And your book is ultimately going to start to do better and sell more copies. So hopefully this video showed you something important. Even in 2026, even with more competition than ever, new books are still breaking through on Amazon KDP. Not because the system is easy, not because there's some secret hack, but because Amazon is constantly testing new books to see what customers actually respond to, which means every book you publish still gets a shot. Now, if you want a clear, simple roadmap for how to get started with KDP, from picking niches to structuring your books to avoiding those beginner mistakes, I've got my free KDP royalty roadmap linked down below in the description. It'll walk you through the whole process step by step, especially if you're still trying to figure out where to start. If this video helped you see what's possible, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell so you don't miss my next video. With that being said, thanks for watching. Bye for now.